we have been guilty, naming no names. And I mean this a little bit tongue-in-cheek, but a little bit not, a little bit serious. We have had some guests who we've probably perhaps not vetted properly that have arrived in our studios and been, let's be frank, a little bit monotone.
Okay.
It's a problem that a lot of people, I appreciate, will have, and it's through no fault of their own. How can they work on the undulation of their voice?
Okay. What I do is I'll go through exercises with these people to, first of all, stretch out their vocal cords beyond their normal speaking range, which might only be 3-4 notes. And I'll get them doing goo, 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 goo.
Oh, love
and
it.
Stretching right
Singing
through
as well.
much higher than that. I get them singing. I call it vocalization exercises because that word singing, when you start working with executives, they get a little fearful.
Of course, they're presenting in front of their board members and singing their way through the presentation.
They will strengthen your vocal cords, they strengthen your breath control, and they work all the way through your range so that you start to experience melody in places that you're not used to. And it also tunes your ears so that you hear sounds. What happens is a lot of people don't listen to their voices, or they don't understand or realize what they're actually doing with their voices, whether they're staying very monotone and not moving their voice from one pitch to another, or they're going up and they're going down. I'm climbing up the ladder, I'm climbing down the ladder.
Is it